we're going to explore how to manage images in PRISM, both for pictures and for catalogs. Let's do pictures first. We go into the Picture Manager form. From here we have to make sure that we have in our C PRISM Images folder placed images. So here we've copied and pasted images from wherever we're working on. We put them in a temporary folder. Those images will then be processed and then sent to the cloud computer and deleted from this folder. So we want to make sure that whatever images we're working on, we have an original copy somewhere else. This is only a copy that we're putting temporarily just to send them to the cloud computer. So once the images have been placed in the folder, by default it's going to be C PRISM images, but that can be changed. We're just going to click on Fetch Image File, and this will basically go to the folder, get the images, and from here we can review the images by simply clicking on them to make sure that we have the right images. The size that needs to be sent is 400 by 400 and the format is JPEG. If we had a different size, we could click Resize All, and what that will do is that will make sure that the program will resize them to 400 by 400. We also have to have the names in uppercase, and there can't be any strange characters like periods or other than the period in between here. Periods or ampersand can't be in the names of the files. So by clicking Fix Name, again the program will rename the images properly and save the proper names. Once we're done with our images, all we have to do to send it to the cloud computer is we click on Send to Cloud. As the images get sent to the cloud, they'll actually be deleted from the main folder, and that will be it for these images. If the images exist on the cloud computer, they will be overwritten by these ones. Let's go into the catalog. Very similar process. So we're starting with a fresh catalog. So we're going to click New Catalog. We need to enter catalog name. We need to select the type. We have 4 choices: low-res landscape or portrait, or high-res landscape or portrait. Depending on what we select, the size will be different. So for example, for the high-res landscape here, for the high-res portrait, the size of the images needs to be 893 by 1263. We need to put the number of pages that we're going to be working on, and then click on the Proceed button, which is just to the right here, what we can't see. Once the catalog has been created, it will create the entry on the cloud computer. And then here what we need to do is, again, same idea as for the images. We're going to put the images, the JPEG images for the pages of the catalog into the C PRISM catalog image folder in this case, or a different folder as long as we identify it here. And same idea, we're going to click Fetch Image File. This will get us our pictures, and we need to then resize them to make sure they match this size here. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to just expand our image here. So let's click on Resize. So the program will go through and reformat the images so that they can now be in the right format. We also need to create thumbnails. What the thumbnails will be is they'll be small images that will be used for identifying the pages in the catalog navigation pages. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, if we refresh, now we'll see all our images. We have now our catalog pages and our thumbnails, everything in the right sizes. If everything is good and we're good to go, all we need to do now is click Send to Cloud, and this will send it to the cloud computer. Once it's been sent to the cloud computer, we then need to log on to the catalog management website to make sure that we start doing the hotspotting. This will be illustrated in a different video, but a catalog will only be visible on the iPad once a hotspot has been created for it. And this will conclude this image management video. Please view the other videos, especially the one that follows this one, which would be the hotspotting of the catalog. Thank you.